In this video, we're going to talk about grouping and what it can do for you inside Cricut Design Space. Something that you'll want to note that grouping is just for you to easily move things around on your canvas. It has no effect whatsoever when you click on the Make It button and it gets sent to your mat. Grouping, like I said, is just for canvas only and design purposes. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have text on here. It is a text group. Let's say, for example, we wanted to add a Cricut design image here of Wasp. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Obviously, whenever you, like I said, it's for ease of use when you're designing. Everything is grouped together when I click on the Wasp itself, so it's moving every single one of those layers for us automatically. Now let's say that I would like to place this Wasp right underneath the title here, Springtime, and I would like it to be that exact spacing anytime that I move the Wasp as well as the Springtime text. So in order to do that, I simply select both and I click on Group, and even though that the B is in its own group, the text was on its own group, now we're in a group altogether. So if I click off the mat and I click over here again, it's moving this as a single unit. So that is now grouped together. Now, like I said, when you click on the Make It, it has no effect whatsoever on positioning when it comes time to that. Okay, so each will cut out on its own individual color, but for design purposes, that's what it's designed for. Now, say for example you wanted to adjust that spacing. How do you do it? Well, it is a group. You have to ungroup it, and now they become each their own entity. Okay, now say for example this Wasp that came in the B. Okay, so say for example you're wanting to know how this thing layers. Well, you can either visually see here, or you can go ahead and ungroup things so that you can say, okay, oh, there's the wing, there's that backing, here's this backing, and then there's the shadow layer. So that would be another way to take a look at a Cricut image and ungroup it. Now, the downside to it, I'm going to go ahead and undo it all the way back to where the B was its own group again, so you can see it's its own group. If I do ungroup it, you can see how it's nice individual 4 layers. If I do ungroup it, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 individual layers. If I try to regroup it again by going to group, you can see I still have the 4 layers, but now my layers panel here is a little more congested because now I have these little toggle units. So that's one of the, I guess, drawbacks of doing that, but it still serves its purpose as far as you being able to move this within a single unit. So that's grouping and ungrouping within Cricut Design Space.